I'm going to speak in English and Tagalog, but I will greet everyone here. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon all of you. In Tagalog, kapayapaan sa inyo lahat. Okay, so I speak English, Tagalog. I make a letter, that's why I'm apology, I'm late for the meeting. This is very important letter. I hope you can bring it to President and to the Vice President. Inshallah, it's a good letter. Everybody will like it. So I address to start with Bismillah in the name of God Almighty Allah, the only God worthy to be worshipped, who doesn't need anything, who is not beget nor begotten, and there is no one comparable unto Him. Siya ang Allah nag-isa, wala siyang kailangan, hindi siya nagkanak, hindi siya pinakanak, at wala siya anuman katulad. So I wrote it to our respected President of Philippines, President Bongbong Marcos, Malacanang, Manila City, Philippines. I'm honored here to be here in Malacanang, the office of the President. I'm thankful for this as a Muslim leader to do something for the terrorism, do something to bring the peace in the Philippines. So after greeting, I thanks it, and then I say that the consultation and dialogue, I was called here. It's honor for me, and to promote the peace in Philippines. That's like a TPP, promoting peace in Philippines. That's our mission. Our organization, Islamic Kapayan Peace Center, and I have also the company to World. We bring the cheapest, high quality medicine and vaccines. We are also import of the Sinopharm COVID vaccine, and pneumonia vaccine, and tetanus, rabies vaccine, lots of vaccines, flu vaccine also. Message here that how to eliminate the terrorism, because it's a very bad thing. Masama yung terrorism. Dahil kung tayo kasama sa pamilya natin sa mall, kahit Muslim, kahit Christian, kahit Buddhist, Hindu, Buddhist, Hudyo, kahit sino man, dun tayo sa mall tapos may bomba, may bomb blast. It's not going to see who is going to die. Me and my family can get hurt. All of your family can get hurt. So these are the terrorists. Sila yung parang cancer sa community. They are the cancer for the community. That's why my number one point is mabigat. It is my advice. As our organization is NGO, non-government organization, we need to have a death penalty for the terrorists. Public death penalty. It's number one point, okay? I'm saying that is the best solution in Islam. That Allah said in the Quran, those who are making mischief like terrorists, like rapists, murderers, Allah said in the Quran, yuqtulu, you have to kill them, or to crucify them, or to cut their limbs from the opposite, or to put in the jail, or outcast them. But the number of option Allah give is to terrorists should have a death penalty, because it's very bad. Masama. Kung may bomb sa bus or sa bomb sa school. In Pakistan, there was a time there were 300 children killed in the terrorist attack in a school. 300 children were killed. And it's happening all around the world, okay? And that's happening everywhere in the world. And it's not only, you can talk to any religion. Every religion follower have a terrorist. There are terrorists in Myanmar. There are terrorists in Europe. There are terrorists in America. The number one terrorist in the human history is Hitler. He killed millions of people. The Mao Zedong, he killed millions of people. So every nation have a terrorist. And the solution for terrorists, number one, our advice, a humble advice that we should have the Philippine government should adopt the terrorism. Terrorists should have a death penalty. Number 2 point, a strict punishment for insulting the other religions. Personalities like Jesus, Muhammad, or any religious personality, no insulting to them. So there should be strict law, because that can make a destruction of peace. Because if I speak something bad about a religious personality, or somebody talk bad about my religious personality, then it can make friction. So there should be a strict law, no insult of Quran, no insult of Bible, no insult of Muhammad, no insult of Jesus. If we believe Jesus is our prophet, we love him. We are not Muslim if we don't respect Jesus, because he is our prophet in the Quran. Number 3, that we should have mayroon tayo ng peaceful seminars, debates between the religious leaders. Like we are gathering now, so we can have a regular seminars, the Christian, Muslim leaders, Catholic leaders sit down, how to make the peace within our community. Number 4 is strict punishment for religious discrimination, as Philippine Constitution gives equal rights to all followers of all religion. Like sometime, I was very good friend, the President Duterte, when he was mayor. After president, he's my good friend. I went to Davao City, and then he came to Marco Polo Hotel. He met me because I sent almost 1 million vaccine for donation to the whole Mindanao farmers, the tetanus toxoid vaccine. He came and he told me, before some subdivisions in Davao, when he was a mayor, they don't like to give the property, sell property to Muslims. Then he make the law in municipality. If you do this to the Muslims, I'll punish you. So the people is starting to sell. So there should be walang discrimination to the Muslim. We are all equal. All the Muslims and Christians in this country have constitutional rights equal. So we cannot discriminate a Christian and the Christian cannot discriminate Muslim. That is very good point to unite all the people. Number 5, joint charity missions between Muslims and Christians. We can all gather. Today we have a charity mission in Quiapo Golden Mosque. I prepared 1,000 bags of rice. We are going to give to Muslims and Christians. I told the admin in Golden Mosque Quiapo, gather all the Christians and Muslims. We give the coupons, 1,000. We are going to distribute the corned beef and rice because rice is a big problem today. Lahat ng bagay sa mga grocery mahal masyado. So we are going to give charity. So this is the number 5. Meron tayo ng charity missions. So joint charity mission for giving food or pagkain, mga canned goods between Muslims and Christians, all gathered. If you are Muslim and you go to Muslim, I will only give charity to Muslim, that's very bad. And if you are Christian and you say, I will only give charity to Christian, that's not good for our unity. We, all Muslims, we should give charity to Muslims and non-Muslims. And all the Christians, when they go to the community, they don't say, I will only charity to Christians. No. We should give charity to Muslims and Christians all together. That's very important point. Because some Muslims, they tell me, okay, you go to Muslim area, only give charity to Muslims. I say, no, I will not do it. It is discrimination. Because they are also human brothers. Because we are all children of Adam. Either you are Muslim, Christian, Jew, Hindu, Buddhist, American, Chinese, Japanese, Indian, Arabs. We are all human brothers. Because we have only one father, Adam. So we have to give the charity to all Muslims and non-Muslims. No discrimination. Number 6, joint medical mission between Muslims and Christians. So when we are doing always medical mission. We want to do more. So we can join mission, no exclusive. Only for Christians, only for Muslims. No. All together. See, number 6. Okay. Number 7 is a very important point. So we are here for anti-terrorism cell or council. It's a very, very mabigat, no? I will relate it to the President Ferdinand Marcos. You see, that president, respectful President Ferdinand Marcos. He wanted to change the name of Philippines to Maharlika. Because I mentioned here in the letter, the greatest terrorist of this country was King Philip. Siya yung pinakamalaking terorista sa bansa ito, si King Philip, galing sa Spain. They killed the people, they raped the women, they steal the wealth, and they get away the freedom of the people, yung kalayaan. Okay? So now, bakit si Philippines is still under his name? Siya yung traitor, siya yung terorista, King Philip too. So his name is still carry on. And the people call themselves Filipino. Ano ibig sabihin ng Philippine? Ako nang alipin ka ng ako Philip. I am the slave of King Philip, Filipino. Filipina, Philip Alipina, Duktong, Filipina. Ako ng slave ng King Philip. I am the Alipino. So that is the relation here. The great President Ferdinand Marcos, gusto niya na maging Maharlika. Ano ibig sabihin ng Maharlika? Land ng Kalayan. The land of the free people. It's a beautiful name. I have applied already citizenship, naturalization. I am here 30 years. Okay. I have 11 children all born here. I have 3 wives, legal 3 wives, all from Philippines. And I applied for the citizenship and I want to be called Maharlikan rather than to be under the name of the terrorist King Philip. So I can be called as I am a Maharlikan because it's a great name. I am a free person. I am not the slave of any human being. I am not slave of any people, but I am slave of God, Almighty Allah. So that's what we call ourselves, Abdullah, slave of Allah. So that is a very good point here, the last point, that the greatest terrorist of this, yung pinakamalaking terrorista sa bansa ito, King Philip. At pangalan pa rin yung Pilipinas. So that is a very big question for us as to how to bring this. Even I talked to President Duterte and he said, you are 100% right, I will do it. But he was not able to do it. So now my letter here to our beloved President Marcos, BBM, change the name. Bring the honorable name, Maharlika. That is the root of the name. This is the real name of this country. Maharlika is a beautiful name, beautiful word, and beautiful identity. Because if I'm the citizen, I'll be the citizen soon, inshallah. If I'm the citizen and if I say I'm proud to be Filipino, I'm not proud anymore because I'm the proud of that terrorist, Philip. I'm not proud of because he conquered this country. They killed millions of people. They raped the women. They steal the wealth of this country. And they take the freedom of the people. So now meron tayo Kalayan, June 12. Bakit Kalayan? Kung pangalan pa rin ng Pilipinas. Kung tunay ng Kalayan, dapat wala ng Philip. Balik sa Spain yung Philip. Wala na Philip na yun dito. Bakit pangalan pa rin Filipinas? Las Islas Filipinas. That is the name. Decree came from King Philip. Las Islas Filipinas, the island subjugated by King Philip. So that is the final point, and then hope President will give time to analyze advices and do efforts if thinks that this advice is good for PPP, promoting the peace in the Philippines. Inshallah, God willing, Allah willing. Okay. So I can say maybe takbir. Okay. Allah ang dakila.